What up, y'all? Another adventure on Sandycheeks. This time, we're duck hunting. Got our decoys out. Had about 20-30 birds fly by. Nothing close enough to shoot. But this is what we're doing. Sarah's hiding from the camera. And let me be very clear. She is not hunting. She is here for photography only. She does not have a duck stamp or hunting license. I do. I'm a legal beagle. Got the shotgun. Ready to roll. But maiden voyage for Sandycheeks. First time ever duck hunting in a boat. Trying to figure it out. But let me give you a once over, see what I did real quick. First off, you can see I got the old Suzuki covered up. A decoy bag. Got the decoys on an anchor. Going with the tide. And a little more blind. But until we figure it all out, we'll start laying some ducks down. We're going to continue to keep on trying. Talk to y'all later. Bye.